Hello, hello, hello. Hey, Sairoja. Hello, Ashish. Good morning, guys. Yeah, we are up here ahead 2 minutes early today. Yes, 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 yes. Good morning. Kya baat hai, guys. Yet another day starting. Hey, today we are inviting Sony live, okay? So Sony will be coming live and then performing. Hey, Sauro, good morning, good morning, good morning. Nice to see, nice to see. We are still 1 minute ahead and we are jumping in live with another day of the goal achievement exercise. Yes, yes, yes. Okays, okays, okays. Good morning, Sairoja. Nice. Chalo, let me come live on the other side as well and then we will be getting started, everyone. Good morning, team. Good morning, warriors of the day. Guys, could you just mention like what time you woke up so that we can all be aware of it? This is our day 18th, guys. Season 6 people. Day 18, season 6. That's awesome. It's a beautiful morning. It's a magical morning today. Keep pushing yourself, guys. Keep pushing yourself. Okays, okays, okays. Day 18 morning. Okay, team. Chalo, 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 chalo. 5 a.m. Okay. Hello, hello, Arohi. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Okay, so the time right now is 6:30 a.m., guys, and we'll be getting started with a goal achievement exercise for the day again. Okay, and as part of today's session, we are going to invite one of our previous season member. Okay, the name is Sony. Yes, and she'll be coming up live and then performing it along with us. Hey, good morning, Sony.
Hi, very good morning.
Nice, nice, nice. Good to see you. Good to see you. Right up. Yeah, it was a pretty short notice. Yeah, pretty short notice, everybody. Okay. Let me just type it here. Okay. Just give me a minute and we'll be getting started. Okay, Sony?
Okay.
Okay. So, and how's your day starting?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Pretty good.
Starting with
Nice, nice,
yes, yes.
nice. Good to see. Good to know. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Join us. I'm just doing the setup on the other side.
Okay.
Okay, Sony. So you have your goals and all that written?
Yes, yes.
Okay, good stuff. Good going. Good going.
Rewritten also. Recently I revised it.
Revised it? Yes, very good. Very
Yes,
good. You have
yes.
to keep doing it. You have to keep doing it. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, Sony. So, chalo, guys. Okay, guys. So this is Saugandhika Sony. Okay. So she has joined us as part of season 4. Yes, season 4, and it's been like a lot of time together. Okay, we invited her for one of the evening session as well, and yeah, you might have seen her before. And today she's going to perform a live goal achievement session along with us. Okay, and yep. Okay. So Ashish is like after 5 a.m. again, he woke up. Sahi hai Ashish bhai, 3:30 baje wake up, then slept, and then coming up again. Yes, good, good. Public apply, yeah. So they have started getting into the mood. Okay, so that's pretty good to see. That's pretty good to see actually. Okay, and let's keep doing that, and that's going to completely change your life basically. Okay, just matter of time. Now, Sony. So yes, let's start living our journey together with the goal achievement sessions. Can you just talk
Yes.
something about the goals related part with the people and chalo, let's get started then accordingly.
Yes. Hello. Hello everyone. Very good morning to all of you. My name is Saugandhika. I'm from Andhra Pradesh and right now I'm looking for a job and I'm passionate on writing as well. I want to become an author as well. I am preparing on that it also. And this is a short intro about myself and coming to goals so I want to tell you one thing like you have a football ground And if you don't have any goal post, if you keep on playing, which like you will not get any interest, right? You should have that goal post, and you have to focus on that. You have, then only you'll get some interest. If you just keep on playing with ball, you'll not get any interest. Likewise, you should have goals in your life as well. You should have some like I have to achieve this, like that. You should have some strong belief
Mhm.
about yourself. Then only you can achieve anything. You have to think big for that. And like when coming to goals, all of us know, like all we have discussed that we have four pillars, like personal, financial, and fun goals, and then contribution. All these are so important in our life. If anything is not balanced, then you will be in a problem. So make sure that you'll set up all these goals, and time frame is very very important. If not, you'll just ending up your time, wasting your time. You'll try to put up more time on something and less time on something. Again, you cannot prioritize things. So time frame is so
Nice,
important.
nice, nice.
And one more thing I want to tell is, like, every day to do list before the day, you have to plan it. That will improve your productivity effectiveness also. Like beside to do list, beside every task, you have to plan, like, okay, from 7 to 8 I have to do this. Like 7 to 8 goal achievement, 8 to 9 I have to study, like that. You have to plan. And after that, like, you have, after every hour, if possible, you have to analyze, okay, before hour, whether I am productive or not.
Mhm.
And that will give you a trigger, like, okay, fine, the next hour I will be productive. If you are productive, that will give you a trigger, yes, I am successful, and next hour also I'll do successful. Like that, you have to plan.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, yes. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. So now, yeah, Sony, chalo. Guys, very rightly said. You need to listen to her and you need to keep applying those things. Okay. And because she has been practically performing it since a long time, and it is a wonderful journey that we are going into. Okay. So fine, Sony. So chalo, let's get started with the goal achievement exercise for the day. Yes.
Yes. All of you, close your eyes, keep your
Mm-hmm.
spine straight, palms
Okay.
facing upwards. And now take 3 deep breaths, long deep breath from your nose and exhale from your mouth with a straw like opening. Let's start. Now place your right hand on your heart and just repeat after me. Believe in what are all you are saying. Attach your emotions to it. I am grateful to be in the world of greatness and abundance.
I'm grateful to be in the world of greatness and abundance.
I have all that I need in order to succeed.
I have all that I need in order to succeed.
I am confident.
Yes.
I love myself unconditionally.
I love myself unconditionally.
I
Nice.
am beautiful, and so is the world.
Awesome.
I am happy, healthy, wealthy, and blissful.
I'm happy, healthy, wealthy, and blissful.
I am courageous.
Yes.
Every day I am stepping towards my goals.
Yes.
Every day I am working to my fullest potential.
Yes.
I am kind.
I'm kind.
Whatever I want wants me.
Awesome. Whatever I want wants me.
Even though there are 1,000 reasons to give up, I'll find one reason to keep going.
Awesome.
I am successful.
I
I am
am
winner.
successful. I am a winner.
This is Saugandhika, and tell your name. This is Saugandhika, taking charge of my life to become successful.
Yeah, but this is Tausif taking charge of my life to become successful.
Believe in all these. Let all these thoughts sink inside your heart.
Nice. Everybody, believe that you have the great potential to achieve all that you want. And life is going to get so much awesome after that, everyone. Yes, yes, yes.
And now rub your palms against each other.
Mm-hmm.
Roll it on your face. Sorry, take
Take
deep
a
breath.
deep breath.
Now rub your palms against each other, roll on your face, and open your eyes.
Nice. Good stuff, Sunny. Awesome. Okay, everybody. So have your goals in front of you guys, because this is your destiny and you are going to get it all. Yes, team.
Now, personality goals. Just
Mm-hmm.
roll your fingers on your goals, touch them, breathe
Okay.
out, feel them, feel it with all your senses. While reading, live in it.
Okay.
All about your personality, to be positive all the time, to be peaceful all the time, putting a smile when you see someone. All these things will come under your personality. And about your physique, like 20 push-ups a day, like that. You have to be so specific in whatever you are mentioning in your goals,
Mm-hmm.
and that will drive you to achieve your goals faster.
Yes.
And make sure that you use only positive words in your goals. Like instead of controlling my anger, you can keep like being peaceful all the time.
Yes, everybody. Feel your personal goals. Roll your fingers through it, guys. Okay. This is one life and you have to get it all. So feel it what you want. Believe in what you want. Okay. And it is going to come to you, everyone. That's what life is about. Yes.
Okay, now close your eyes,
Mm-hmm.
fast forward, and imagine that you have already achieved all your personal goals. And you're so confident right now that you can achieve anything else in your life.
Yes.
You're so kind enough. Everyone is like, whenever someone sees you, they all are smiling by seeing your calm and peaceful face. You're so strong enough physically and mentally as well to face any challenges in life. And you're
Yes.
welcoming your challenges. You have become
Yes.
that strong.
Awesome. Believe in your potential, everybody. You're greatly capable, and envision a strength that you have. Okay. The ability to deal with any life circumstances. Paint a picture of your choice, guys. Okay. Imagine whatever you want. Okay. As strong as possible, as brave as possible, as courageous as possible. Fear will no longer be impacting you. You have to take chances, you have to take risk in life, and you have become that personality. Strong mindset, great heart, great belief about everything that you do. Okay. And once you have that strength within you, and after that, whatever you do, you will be getting grand results in your life. This is what it is about, everybody. You have one life, one beautiful life, and you have to live it to the fullest, because time is passing by. So let's take on responsibility. Feel the power within you, feel the aggression within you rising, everyone. Today is a bright, beautiful morning, and what are you going to do today that defines your future and your destiny, everyone? So feel brave, feel broad, feel courageous, everybody, because this is an amazing life. Okay. Awesome. Your physique, your mental toughness, your wisdom, your knowledge, okay, your kindness, your caring, your personality, your communication, everything, all the mumbo jumbo. How do you want the world to look up to you? Feel that, become that, and there is greatness lined up for you, everyone. Yes. Okay, take a deep, long breath, everybody, and let it go. Okay.
Rub your palms against each other,
Yes.
roll on your face, and open your eyes slowly.
Yes.
Hmm. Now, let's jump into financial goals. This is also so
Everybody.
important, right? For all
Hmm.
of us, money is important. We have to get so many things which we want. We'll be thinking of so many things to get, right? So this is also so important. We have to concentrate on that.
Nice, Sony. Very rightly said, guys. Everybody, this is important. Yes or no? Yeah. And we all know it. Okay. So don't be mad about it, but at the same time, don't devalue it. Okay. The you might be knowing that proverb, right? The grapes are sour. So just because we cannot make too much money, people come up with excuses like "Arey nahi chahiye" and this, that. All those are like justifications why you cannot make money. Okay. So have
Don't
a very
think that.
important pillar. Uh-huh.
Huh, huh.
Bolo, bolo.
Don't think that I have enough money. I don't need anything. If you like, you can earn more and you can like distribute more. You can contribute more. Whoever need it, you can give to them. Don't
Yes,
think that money is not needed for me. It's needed for you. It's
yes,
needed for others for whom you can help and make their life. So make sure that how much as you can is possible for you. You earn as much as you can so
yes,
that you can give as much as you can.
yes. Very important stuff, guys. Very important stuff. Okay. Chalo, quickly read through your financial goals, everybody, whatever you have set. And dare to dream big, guys. It will come to you. Dare to dream big. Quickly roll your finger on top of your goals. And Sony, we have this another lucky Sony, right? He's appreciating your affirmations and all that, goal achievement related. Okay?
I
Yeah,
learned those gratitude affirmations I learned from him only.
nice.
Once he wrote all those things.
Yeah,
Yes.
he has also done pretty great of a work there. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
pretty good. Okay, everybody. So read through your financial goals. What are the targets which you want to achieve financially? There you go, guys. Dream big, set up a big target, and you will be then getting it.
Now close your eyes,
Close your eyes, everyone.
fast forward your life,
Mm-hmm.
visualize and attach your emotions. You live in the moment what you are thinking right now. Suppose you want to get your dream job. You like imagine that you already got your dream job and you're giving a presentation in front of all. Everyone is praising you for such an amazing work. Think of all those things. Just paint a
Yes.
picture like you're already into your dream company and you
Uh-huh.
are working so well and earning so
Awesome.
much. Money is flowing towards you.
Yeah, baat hai. Everybody perform to your best of your capabilities and imagine all these things that money is coming towards you. You're offering best of your service. Okay, great results in whatever you do, the guys. Then they go, "Come, how will the world not justify you, right? If not the current job, maybe the next job, but you have to become that much worthy first of all. Put your efforts, become the best version of yourself, contribute your efforts, and then the world has to justify, guys. It is just matter of time. Yes, Sony, take it over. Yes.
Yeah. Believe you have infinite potential. If you have one idea, work on that and immediately work on that. Then you will get so many ideas. Don't keep that idea for yourself.
Mm-hmm.
You have that infinite potential to get so many ideas, so
Yes,
many plans.
yes, you're amazing, everybody. You need to believe that you are amazing. That's what is the thing. And then put your efforts, put maximum that you can, and you will see results coming in your life. This is one beautiful of a journey of life, and you have to make the most of it, everyone. पैसा मिलेगा सब कुछ मिलेगा guys. Do you deserve it? And for deserving it you have to believe that, be open to receive it, guys. Don't shy away, don't run away. Put hard work, put efforts, and the world will justify. That's what it is about. So be ready to accept, guys, and it will come to you. This is financial aspect and one of the most important pillar. You cannot devalue it, everybody. Yes.
Yes. If you are preparing for interviews, think that I cracked my job in first interview itself. I'm so confident that I can crack it. And you're putting massive efforts for that.
Yes, yes, yes. Guys, one of the thing I would like to say, okay. So, Saugandhika, as part of our advanced programs, we used to perform these uh, some video making tasks, okay. So Sony used to do, before getting started with the video, she used to perform a kind of a meditation practice, okay, and that used to cleanse her thought process and the body, and then making videos became easy. There's nothing but that's the thing. You want to achieve greatness in your career, in whatever, you just sit for a moment, you just feel it that I'm already good in what I do, and then your thoughts will just clear up like that, and you can do whatever with great results. Simple technique, but it will change your destiny, guys, completely. Okay, you need to understand what you're doing, do it to your best possible potential, and you will be getting grand results in life. This is what it is about, everybody. You need to believe and it will happen. Very good. Okay, so chalo, everybody, take a deep long breath, and exhale. Rub your palms against each other, roll it over your face, and slowly open up your eyes. Keep reminding yourself, and it will come to you, everybody. Yes, Sony, moving on to the next one.
Yes, fun and adventure goals.
Fun and adventure goals, everybody.
Fun is so important in your life. You have to get refreshed some or the other time. Every day, like for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, keep some fun task for you, whichever is comfortable. Even it's small, fine. Your mind will get relaxed and you'll perform better in the
Yes,
upcoming
yes,
tasks, what
yes.
you planned for.
So nice, so
Yes.
nice.
Yes, now roll your fingers.
Roll your fingers through your fun and adventure goals, guys. All these are the pillars of life, okay? And if you want to become your greatest version, you need to balance life in all of these aspects. Otherwise, you will have a regret somewhere or the other. Yeah, I made money, but I was not having fun. I had a great personal life, but money was disappearing. All these kind of dramas will happen, everyone. So let's not do that. One life, one beautiful life. Okay.
Okay. Let's close our eyes. Mm, Start
Keep reminding
visualizing.
yourself, everybody. Yes. Close your eyes, everyone.
Now, like, imagine like you have gone for a road trip with your family and you're cherishing each and every moment. Feel it. You're so closer to nature. Nature cures us everything. It will refresh us, it will make us feel so happy, so pleasant, and so peaceful. Imagine that you are standing on the top of the mountain. You are experiencing that cool breeze touching you. And like you could see so many amazing plants and trees around. You are surrounded by so many plants, you and your family members. You're so happy at that moment. You've forgotten everything else.
Awesome.
Imagine that you have left your sandals and you're walking with a bare foot. You're feeling it with every cell of your foot. You're feeling all those things. Feeling the mud, feeling the moisture of the mud, feeling that cool breeze. Imagine all these.
Guys, open up your imagination. Human beings has one great of a potential. We can think, we can imagine, we can picturize, we can visualize. Get your creative part outside, everybody. Paint a picture, what kind of life you want. Have the fun adventure. Like Sony says, move out. Imagine you're on a road trip with your family. Right? Long, beautiful road. On either sides of it, there is huge, lush greenery. Moving up through this highway, through there's a music banging behind. There is this soft, beautiful morning atmosphere. Okay, so pleasant, cool breeze flowing around. and you're having the best time of your life. Just move on with time. And as you're passing it, feel that you're moving on top. Just park your vehicle aside, just observe nature. And guys, just observing green is going to make your heart cleansen up. You'll be healed inside when you're in nature, guys. You know this technique. Nature is one of the best healer of its kind. Okay, mental pressure, stress, everything will go away if you just spend some time with the nature. Greenery, mud, soil, earth, water, birds, the cheerful birds singing around, the cool breeze flowing around. All these things are going to completely change your life, guys. You just need to be in this, and even doctors recommend it, yes or no? Just be in this kind of a zone repeatedly, daily basis. Then that is where it's required to go in parks, to sit with trees around, with mud around. Just sitting there itself is treatment, everyone. And you need to understand that just sitting there is treatment. Awesome stuff, Sony. Very good. Yeah, take it over further.
Yes, like now come back to the original life. Like
Yes.
slowly take a deep breath in.
Take a deep, long breath, everyone. Have fun and excitement, guys. Enjoy nature, and your life will be pretty much balanced. Okay.
It will come back to you now. Rub your palms
Yes.
against each other.
Rub your palms against each other.
Roll on your face and slowly open your eyes.
Awesome. Awesome, team. This is what it is about. Okay. Step by step, daily visualizing, believing, and it will happen. Yes, Sony. Moving on further.
Yes, now contribution goals.
Contribution goals, everybody.
Treat all this, all your contribution goals. It's so important in your life. That will bring you a satisfaction from which you cannot buy this satisfaction from anything. So make sure you contribute to society. Even it's a small thing like saving water, planting trees. Like there's so many other things like throwing dust in the dustbin, keeping the surroundings clean, putting a smile on others' face, talking to someone like with smile on your face, accepting, thinking from others' perspective, thinking from other side. All these are small contributions. Start with small, and definitely you'll reach higher and higher. As you keep on doing, you will progress definitely.
Yes. So rightly said, guys. So rightly said. You need to get started, team. You need to get started, okay? This is one so beautiful of a life, okay? And you need to understand, if you are not contributing back to the society, basically there is no meaning for your existence, okay? Whether you live or whether you die on this planet, everything is equivalent if you're not giving back anything to the society. Okay, because whatever you are, you have consumed it from this planet, and it's your moral responsibility to give something back to it. Okay, and like Sony said, guys, small things. Okay, like managing your own mess, basically save water, save electricity, keep your environment, keep your surroundings clean. Okay, changing your belief system towards life is going to make it a miracle, everyone. Yeah, and just okay, don't judge anybody. Always at any given point of time in life, you have to keep yourself in the shoes of the other person, and then try to help them out and try to guide them out. This is what is going to happen. You have a beautiful life ahead of you, guys. Don't screw it up, people, and
You're
live
in
a
a
life of service. Yes, Sony.
yes, go ahead.
No, no, bolo.
No, if you're in a bad mood, if you're in a sad mood, just meditate. Immediately you meditate, that will gives you like calm and peacefulness.
Yes.
Yes, I've tried it actually.
Awesome. Guys, this is what it is. If your mood swings are happening, just meditate it. Think that it's all. And guys, without okay, guys, if there is no contribution, basically your existence is meaningless on the planet. Okay. What is the life where you just live for yourself? What is the life where you don't care about other people? It is not worth living then. Okay. If you cannot leave a mark on this planet, if your identity cannot stay here after you're gone and for long time to come, okay, basically nothing else matters. And that's what you need to understand. This is one life, one amazing life, and you need to live it on your terms. And guys, your terms will be good only when you care others, when you love others, when you give something back to the society, and then you will find some miracle will happen in your life, everyone. Small things, your destiny will start shaping up for you. This is going to happen, everyone. Okay, so don't wait for it. Don't think that at first I need to earn a lot of money and then I can start giving back to the society, because that does not come. That will never come, guys. Okay, because let me tell you what is going to happen. Human beings are psychological beings. The more you earn, the greedy version of you will be like, I'm earning so much, why should I give? Right, that's what it is about, people. You need to become in your senses that I have to change the world, and for that I have to contribute, I have to think bigger than myself, and that's where the change will begin, everyone. So believe that you can, and start doing it right away. How do you want to make this world a beautiful place? Just ask this question to yourself, write down some goals about it. You might be seeing a lot of things, as everybody's perspective is different, everybody's circumstances and surroundings are different. That's what it is about. How do you want to change the world? What's your contribution? When you're long gone, still the world will remember you, respect you. How? You have to define that, everyone, because that is one life, one beautiful life. Yes, 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 Sony.
Now roll your fingers on your contribution goals. Start reading them.
Yes, guys, in 5 minutes we'll be winding it up. So start reading your contribution goals, guys, because this is one important thing. If you have not set it up, understand the value. This goal is going to give you satisfaction. Without this, there will always be something missing in life. And don't become that person, everyone. How do you want to contribute? How do you want to make this world a beautiful place? All that matters. It matters a big deal. Your existence matters. Make it count, guys. Make it count.
Like your passion, keep a specific area in your contribution as well and contribute to the greatest, as Rajesh has said in one of the earlier sessions.
Mm-hmm.
Like
Yes,
keep
yes.
one. Suppose if you want to like keep school and help for the children, you can do like that. You can go in that way. Or else if you want to help for the old age people, you can go in that way. Specifically, you have to keep some way, some specific way, like your goals and passion, like that. Then you can contribute more and more. If
Yes,
you
yes.
can, you can diversify from that.
Awesome. So true, guys. So true. Okay, everybody. Chalo, let's close the eyes. Let's close the eyes. You need to understand, guys. Yes, in life there are problems. Okay. There are tough times coming. Not just for you, for everybody, basically. Everybody in the world, somewhere or the other, is going through pain. There are ambitions which are not being met. There are like sufferings which are coming every single day to everybody. You're no special when it comes to pain, guys. Okay, it feels good to feel right. I am the person suffering a lot, my problems are bigger. But you need to understand, everybody in life deals with their own challenges, and problems are part of living. Okay, you might not like it, but that's part of living. The point is, you need to grow so much, you need to grow so much that you can solve them with ease. That's what is in your control. If you want to remove problems from your life, there is just one way. Like, you grow to so great height that you will be bound to become a master of your own life. And now when it is said everybody deals with problems, it becomes your responsibility, being a human being, caring for others, in trying to solve others problems. Okay, and it is a one very important thing, guys. Once your mindset is good, with this great mindset, the others who are not having the same thinking, you can do a lot for such people, because you know how you can impact many lives, guys. It's your existence which matters, it's your actions which matters. Others might not be able to take care of their life, and because of that they might have screwed it up. Every single day there might be pain, suffering, cry happening in the life. You need to understand, in the current world that we are into, Slowly and steadily, digitally, there are connections establishing, but within physical relationships are moving away. When is the last time you went to your close one, gave a tight hug, and said, I love you? Not many, since a long time. Digital connections are strong. The actual communication one on one is losing away, guys. Forget about your friends, even in family, distances are coming. What's happening around in the society, guys? You need to think, and when this loneliness actually dominates the society, you need to understand we are entering into a dark era. Why the depression rates are going high, why the stress pressure is going high in the current world? Because human beings are social beings, and slowly and steadily we are getting away from that. When we are in pain, we don't share it with others, we keep ourselves piling up with that, and that is adding to a lot of worries in our lives, guys, and that is massive. Are you really understanding? You are a soft human being. You're piling up all the pain, suffering, struggle inside you, not sharing it out. You know how these things work? If you share your pain, you become lighter in your heart, and you'll get the energy to live along. The point is, right now, you don't find somebody worth sharing your emotions because you feel, what will others think? You are trying to create a fake image about yourself on social media, but inside you are broken every single day. Come out of this fake world, make some real people, meet some real people. And from your part, guys, you need to understand, if there are others like this in your friend circle, in your family circle, in your relative circle, you need to extend your arms to them, because the more these things keep piling up, a point will come, a day will come where there will be a lot of hearts broken, emotional breakdown, torture happening in life, and we have to face it all, team. If we want to change the society, if we want to change the world, then your actions do matter, and you need to do something about it, because people will not open up. So it is your responsibility, first to upgrade yourself, second to reach out to such people, and then smoothen up their life. Don't leave people in suffering, because that's what is the primary goal, being a human beings, to take care of each other. And that's what we are, social beings, everybody. Give a meaning and a purpose to your life. Don't be egoistic, don't be selfish, because all this is going to end one day. Your life journey will be stopping one day. What will matter is, how did you live, how much you cared, how much you honored others. That's what mattered and will always matter, guys. Live a life where you feel proud that I lived it like this. Yes, offer service, the world will give lot thing in back. You will not lose anything, that's for sure. You will not lose anything in life by giving. Okay, Sony, take a deep
Okay.
long breath. Everybody, take a deep long breath and exhale. Rub your palms against each other. Roll it over your face and slowly open up your eyes. Awesome, team. Okay. Good to have you, Sony. Good to have you. Okay.
Thank you.
And with the
Thank
strong personality that you carry, okay, the throw of your voice, the confidence that you reflect, okay, looking at you, it feels that yes, you are there and you'll do something very big in life. Looking
Thank
at
you.
you, it gives, because I think you have a very strong core personality. Okay.
Thank
You don't
you.
have doubts. You have your own plans, what you want, what you don't want in life. You're ready to put in the efforts, and that matters a big deal. Every single day of your life, when you want to take charge of your life, when you want to feel you're superior to your problems, then life will become simple.
Today
Okay.
also I got about 3:40 and I was seeing whether it's 5 o'clock. It happens at times. It
Yes,
happens.
yes, yes. Many a times, guys, it happens
Yes,
with
yes,
me
yes.
as well. Okay, it happens with me. Like, how can I miss it? I can
Yes.
never miss it, guys, and that's the reason we people push each other. Okay, and thank you all. Thank you all for your time. The time right now is 7:08. Make your
One
life
minute.
count. Yes,
just
Soni.
one last sentence, like you believe in yourself, you tell to your mind, like speak out and tell to your mind that yes, I'm going to do it, then you will definitely do it. You're like, it's like telling to your mind, if your mind says something you don't want, tell it that no, I'm not going to do what you want, I'm going to do what I want. Like that, if you keep on telling, then your mind starts accepting. And in the initial stages, you are getting up early, it will be difficult, definitely it will be difficult, but make sure that you push yourself and you get up every day. Before sleeping, remind yourself by keeping a hand over here, and yes, I'm going to get up early in the morning, 5 o'clock sharp. If you tell like that, you will be getting up, and you have to push yourself for a few days, then it will be so easy for you, as I already told, and it will be easy for you to get up every early morning.
Yeah, Sony is doing it since past 60 plus days, guys.
Yes,
Okay.
around
And
70 plus.
yeah, 70 plus
70.
days. And she has tried it in the past, but somehow what happens? The commitment was there. Okay, maybe
Yes,
she tried for 1 week, 2 weeks, and then because the consistency part was somewhere
yes.
shaking up, so she was not able to convert it into a long time. But this time, guys, since past 70 plus days, she's waking up at 5 in the morning, and if she continues it for double the time, it will become a permanent habit for her. It will never
Earlier,
be a pain. Uh-huh.
yes, earlier I was not able to get up for 7 days also. Now I am doing it consistently, so consistently.
10
So you
times,
have
guys.
to,
10x growth,
yes,
everybody. This is what
yes,
is possible, okay? And not just waking up, applying the strong morning
yes,
routine where you grow every single day. It's not waste of time, guys. Every
yes.
single day, you're not understanding. We are becoming 3 hours better than the rest of the world who chooses to sleep. And a point will come when the difference will become so huge that even if the world wants, they will never be able to catch up, because daily 3 hours means a lot, guys. Means a lot. The point is, we want you people to be along with the journey. Thank you, Sony, for your wonderful time, and thank you, everybody. Make the most of the day. Started with bang, live it to the fullest. This is me, Tausif Sheikh, and that's Saugandhika
Thank
Sony coming to
yeah.
your service, and we want you to rise high and rise big. Bye bye. Have a nice
Thank
day,
you so much,
everybody.
all of you. Bye.
Yes,
Bye
yes,
bye.
yes.
Yes,
Thank you, Sony. Yes, yes, yes.
yes,
Awesome. Thanks for coming up. Okay.
yes,
And
yes,
thanks for
yes.
the
Bye
short notice coming up.
bye.
Chalo, bye bye.
That's
Take care.
fine. Yeah, bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you all. Take care. Bye bye.